Mirrors that talk and walk, we have only seen in fairy tales up until this point. Now, wouldn't it be cool if you could also have a magic mirror? Well, to become a magician, you simply need a smart mirror. With smart mirrors, you can control brightness, listen to music, and stay on top of everything. So, we have come up with a list of 5 amazing smart mirrors for your home to help you choose the best magic mirror for you.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTech TS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
First on the list, we have the Capstone Smart Mirror, a multifunctional, elegant mirror that perfectly blends with your smart home decor. This offers various stylish features without additional subscriptions. This Wi-Fi-enabled mirror works as a display screen, allowing you to check the weather, time, and emails, browse the web, and much more. With its 4 integrated speakers, you can get ready while vibing to your favorite music. Moreover, it allows you to stream tutorials, loosening the hassle of carrying a device while doing makeup or tying ties. You can also leave notes and important reminders on the screen for yourself or your loved ones. Furthermore, it allows you to download various apps like Spotify, Photon, Pluto TV, and more. You can also cast content from your phone. In short, this smart mirror can help you manage your modern life efficiently. Second on the list, we have the Backlit Illuminated Bluetooth Bathroom Mirror, a stylish, elegant-looking, and feature-packed smart mirror. The multiple protective structures make this mirror more durable. With just one touch, you can turn it on or off, and the button glows when it's turned off, making it easier for you to find the button in the dark. Moreover, it comes with a 2-pin part socket that allows you to charge up your toothbrush, shaver, hairdryer, and so on. Now, every time you switch on the light, the dimmister pad automatically turns on and provides a clear image. It also provides a clear and large image of your face with 3 times magnification and a high color rendering index. Furthermore, it comes with a Bluetooth speaker that allows you to enjoy music and podcasts while getting ready. The ultra-thin, water, and moisture-proof design make this mirror more desirable. Coming up next, we have VAHA, a high-tech interactive fitness mirror that provides access to fully personalized immersive fitness courses. This is like your own personal gym that fits perfectly in any room. This works as a mirror and interactive screen as well. With this mirror, you can get access to 100 live courses and more than 700 on-demand courses. You can also choose workouts ranging from 5 minutes to 1 hour. Moreover, you can have one-to-one personal training with qualified expert coaches and also with the VAHA community. Most importantly, to access all these things on your VAHA mirror, all you need is Wi-Fi and a VAHA membership. Apart from this, you can also use this mirror for getting ready and all the basic stuff. Moving along, we have the Dimmable LED Illuminated Bathroom Mirror, a smart and elegant mirror that fits perfectly anywhere in your smart house. This comes with an integrated anti-fog function that keeps the mirror steam-free and provides high-definition images. Moreover, this provides safety and durability along with energy conservation, waterproofability, and a longer lifetime. You can mount this mirror in both horizontal and vertical ways. The most unique feature of this mirror is adjustable brightness and color temperature. With one long press, you can adjust brightness between 10 to 100%. This super white mirror reduces unwanted shadows and provides 30 brighter lighting than any other. With its memory function, it can remember your previous settings and resume it next time you turn it on. The unique lighting and flexible mounting system make it perfect for your smart life. Lastly, on this list, we have a round LED bathroom mirror that comes with an elegant spherical shape. This luxurious mirror is environmentally friendly and also saves energy. It comes with a separate anti-fog and power button, and with just one touch, you can turn on the defogger and get a clearer image. This mirror, with its UL-certified defogging film, ensures safety even in wet environments. Moreover, it allows you to control the light intensity from normal to brightest within 3 seconds. Both the power and anti-fog come with a memory function, so it remembers your previous settings preference and resumes it with the same setting next time you turn it on. In addition, using a wall switch to turn on and off the mirror can save energy as well. This LED mirror can serve for around a lifetime worth 50,000 hours. All in all, Mounting this mirror anywhere in your home will increase the elegance of your smart home. So that was all about the 5 amazing smart mirrors for your home.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.